All right, look, you can see it's still going up. Look, you just gotta give it a couple pumps. And it gets, oh yeah, no, the flow's good because I can't even pump it anymore. So you'll see it will continue to rise, but look how easy this is. All right, so open up the engine here. Let's get this thing started. Just warming it up, make sure everything's good. What I like about it, I got these brackets. And there's brackets there. Cool. Just want to show you guys what I got here. So I got my ratchet set. I got the liquid moly. I got the good stuff right here. So if you need that stuff, this is the one I use with my Volkswagen right here. And then the best part is this right here. OEMTOOls. That basically I'll show you how to connect that in a second. Yeah, everything hooked up from there. You're gonna shove the tube down here in the dipstick, pump it, and it sucks all the juices out of there. Really, really easy. And then when I'm done, I'll take out the cap here. So I can just take out the cap real quick. Take off that cap. Let's get some airflow.
So this part right here, just me, you know, setting up the whole rig, putting in the tubes, making sure everything's fit. It takes like, I don't know, a minute, 30 seconds to do everything. You want to make sure it's air fit so nothing leaks out. You put it, boom.
To take off the oil filter, you're gonna need one of these. It's a 32 millimeter. It's right there, big size. I'll link it in the description, but you're gonna need one of these. Over here, you can see it doesn't fit yet. You took off the cover. You see it's snug right there. So I can give you an overview. You can kind of see I put the rag right there so nothing gets inside. Put this over here on the side as well. And then I do have to take off the fuel filter. It's from right there. So basically put it on there. Got my ratchet, hook it up, and take it off, and then all right. So one thing I like to do is just kind of take the towel and put it all around here. I really don't want the oil to go anywhere. Old rag. I'll just wrap it around a little bit. Here. Alright, so remember 32 millimeter. Take that off. Make sure everything is good here. It's important to keep everything clean. I like to have the engine fairly clean. Let's see, that's pretty good. Trying to get all that old stuff off. The dipstick. See the oil right there. I don't see, but basically it stops right there. It's black. About 5,000 miles. So then I have it loose here. Just gonna kind of go up nice and slow. Nice and slow there. Alrighty. Oof. You can see all that gunk. See all that gunk inside there? Oop, getting stuff everywhere. The filter usually comes out with it, but I guess this time the filter didn't want to come out with it. You can see filter's good. Not good anymore. Did its job. I'll tell you what the new one looks like. So I took out the box already, but this is the brand that I always get. This from right here. I'll link that in the comments or in the description. But this one I get. So what it looks like right here. So the combo looks really, really good. It does come with the O-ring, so comes everything in this box. But just taking out for the moment. I'll put it right here on the side, just so I could put the old one until I clean it back in here so I don't make a mess. Drag here, just kind of really just touch everything up here. Clean it up really nice. This is the O-ring, so you do want to take off the old one, new one, and then just give it a little bit of oil, just so it's lubricated already. But let me just clean this up real quick. Another thing I like to do is, you can kind of see in there it has some gunk, so usually I just take a rag, try to get in there as much as possible. It is a little hot, so just be aware. Kind of get in there, just get all the old residue of the old oil. I'm going to shove this piece as far as possible into the dipstick, which is right here. You'll see that right there. It's shut pretty good right there. Alright. Oops, still going. That's good. So I can feel it. I basically hit the bottom there. And then you can see over here, just going to lower this a little bit. So basically what I'm gonna do now, I am going to pump this piece right here. So I just want to pump this, and we should get some fluids coming from over here. So let's see. Pump it open. Alright. Now you can see there's fluid coming from in here, in there. It's going down, it's going down. Look, it's about to hit. Look. If I come down, you'll start to see it come in here. Let's see it. Let pump. There we go. So now you're starting to see it come out. So we should get probably about 5.3, maybe a little less, a little more. But we'll find out together, guys. All right, look, you can see it's still going up. Look, you just gotta give it a couple pumps. And it gets, oh yeah, no, the flow's good because I can't even pump it anymore. So you'll see it will continue to rise, but look how easy this is. Over here, still see it has good stuff. Soaking all the way down. Too easy. Drop a link in the comments description, but super easy. So you have to go off the O-ring, put a new one, put it in there nice and clean. Clean it up pretty good up there, and gotta clean it up again. It's just oil, but clean that up. Basically, just put this in there, and you gotta turn it. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, so put that in there. Make sure it's good there. Then we're gonna hand tighten. Looks like it might not be proper there. Make it straight on. Fix that. Somehow I'm always better with my right hand, so I got it by right hand, so I'm just gonna kind of go in there and tighten it with my hand. I'm just gonna take my tool real quick. Got my tool, just gonna tighten this a little bit. Nothing crazy. It still gets tight. Yep, that feels tight right there. That's good. So quick, pretty easy. Oh, my face. It's probably always good to have glasses, but you can see it's nice when you want to. You just pop the lid on there. Good to go. But this needs 5.8 quarts. This is 5.28, so I'm just gonna throw the whole thing in there. And then I got another bottle that's a little more than half empty. Then I'm gonna pour and kind of measure back and forth. So let's throw this in there, guys. That good stuff. I don't see what I'm doing there. I want the little funnel to move, so you want to go slow. But you know you gotta put the whole thing. So. All right. So hands free. Got the oil. I'm gonna put it right down here. Let's just do this real quick. Alrighty. Should go down nice and smooth.
I want to give love to everybody that watched my video to the end. I appreciate everybody. This is awesome. I'm just starting this journey. But one of the favorite things I love to do here is just use the oil extractor to take the oil out. I don't have to lift the car anymore. I don't have to jack it up. I don't have to take off the skid plate. As you saw, you stick the tube down the dipstick, pump it out, change the filter, put the new oil in, button everything back up, and you should be good to go. Takes about maybe 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes at most if you want to take your time and film. But honestly, super easy. Thanks, guys. See you later.